Hey YouTube, so I'm just on my bed at the cottage in Helperby. New setting, new fishing video. It's the night before going fishing, which is tomorrow, Thursday. The time is 12:16. I'm just I went to tackle shop today, obviously. It's winter. We're going on a complex called Sessay, and I think there's 5 lakes. Start with carp, gudgeon, ide, roach, chub, everything, any carp you can think of, basically. Have more Siamese carp. Anyway, I'm going to be targeting the roach on one rod with the float. I'm mainly going to be going with the 6BB. Just some biggies there. Yeah, I'm going to be fishing for float on one rod, just with maggot on 18-16 hook. I'll run you through my rig tomorrow and that. And on my second rod out of the way, carp complex. It's winter, don't expect to catch anything on it. It's just I'm going to bang a 10mm banana nut crunch boilie. Maybe in a solid PV bag, maybe not. Just out, see if I can pick one up. So yeah, I'll get back to you when we're at the side of the lake. Hey YouTube, I'm at the bank, as you see. So I'll show you to my peg, and let's get fishing. First fish of the session, lovely roach, only small, but it's a fish. So guy across from us just caught a nice sized carp, about 13 pounds. I don't know, can't really guess that because it was a bit from range, but so me and my granddad have just put a carp rod out at this island. We'll just show you in a minute. I've backleaded. I just showed you on that rod before. Yeah, I'm just using a solid PVA bag with a banana nut crunch in it. 10mm single with a couple of maggots on hook and a couple of maggots in bag. We've missed loads of bites on float. Little roach. So we're going to carry on with float for a bit. I'll just show you where we put the carp rods. So we have a little, like, sorry it's on a slant, I'll just try and sort this out. Better? Right. So there's a little island here. There's one over there. Over there, I'll just zoom in. We have a big sheet of ice over there. And him there, casting over there, has just had one. So me and my granddad just put the carp rod out. So my carp rod with a solid PVA bag full of nut crunch and maggots has gone. I'll just zoom in. about there, just around there, and I've scattered some boilers around there, and then my granddad's has gone really tight up to there with a few sauce boilers scattered. He's just using the normal like ledger, sliding ledger with a sauce 10mm boilie on. So we'll brief you later. Second fish, lovely roach. Right, get Rob back, put this in the keep net and get Rob back. Third fish I think of the day, and my granddad caught it, so we'll put it in. Fifth fish of the day, lovely roach. I'll just change it to the close-up setting. Lovely roach. Put him in there. And no more other fish. Just had a bleep on my granddad's carp on. So yeah, it's starting to rain now, so I'm gonna get my camcorder in the car. Ain't it a roach? Beautiful. Got the colour of that blue, nice shimmering silvery blue. Let's put him in the keep net. Let's see if we can catch him more. You can just see my float there. Another lovely roach caught on a single red maggot. So put him back. Lovely. Dad has just caught a real small perch, but tiny perch. So we'll put him back, see if we can catch any more. Hey, no more. Just showing you that perch. Pretty good perch. Tiny. We came today for roach. It's about 2 o'clock now. We're absolutely bite a chuck now. I think bite every 2 chucks. Only problem is we're not hooking them. Don't know if they're real small ones or they just grab it and end up maggot. What if the size of that perch? Who knows? I will brief you. Biggest fish of the day so far. Lovely bream. See if we can catch anything else. Another tiny little perch. Not the target fish, but it's a fish all the same. Beautiful roach. My biggest roach of the session, so we'll put him in the keep net. And yeah, brief you later. So this is the top tip. While if you're float fishing, keep your bait trickling in. If you've got maggots, 3 or 4 every cast or whatever. Winter session, I'm slaughtering them. My granddad isn't catching out because he's a fail. But yeah, that's my top tip. Old roach. Look at that. Another good sized roach. And maggot. So we'll put him in the net. Another tiny roach. Caught on the maggot. On a small. Just going to reposition my cart rod. Perfect. Yep. It's coming to an end now, the session, and we're just going to show you our fish if they haven't got out of the hole in the net. So yeah, we've had a good day. We've caught our target species and a couple more perch, so we'll show you it now. So there's our roach, yeah, with the odd bream.
And a little perch here and there.
Yes.
Like that one.
Little perch, yes. So put them back there. So we've caught like, what, 20 odd? So yeah.
No less than that.
Did you like today, Grandad?
Okay.
I caught all them fish, didn't I, Grandad? Hey. Who caught all them fish? Me. I did. So yeah, we've had a good day. That's all our fish. Most caught on maggot. Well, all caught on single maggot. Size 20 hook. Float. It's about 6 foot deep out there. 5 foot. I don't know. No on cart rods. Guy who was fishing. I'll just show you over there. Fishing with the chod rig. Caught 4 carp. We averaged them about £9. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe up there and like all of them down there. So thanks for watching. Tune in for the next video.